Hey yo, I'm Mr. O, the hip hop teacher, and I'm here to make learning fun. Join me on my YouTube channel, The Hip Hop Teacher, where we groove through lessons. I offer cool ways to learn math, science, social studies, and more. Whether you're a teacher, parent, or homeschooler, I've got something for you. Check out the best educational resource website for fun and engaging lessons. From K-12, I cover everything from English to life skills and motivation. And don't forget the funny brain breaks to keep you energized. And my TikTok is at the Hip Hop Teacher Mro. So come on over to the Hip Hop Teacher and let's make learning a blast.